Good morning. Welcome to the Panda Clan. My name is Kelsey, and today we are doing a master bedroom deep clean. Our bedroom needed a huge deep clean. I just throw everything in our room because it's out of sight, out of mind kind of thing. That green board is actually my vision board. That's my first ever vision board that I've ever made. Some of my goals are to, of course, become monetized, so thank you so much for watching today's video. The more you watch, it keeps going up, so thank you so much. The other stuff is I also would love to be sponsored someday, and then of course lose some weight. I have these giant boxes in my room from the last time I decluttered. I have no idea where to put any of the stuff I saved, so they just stay there until I can figure it out. I am finally cleaning these sheets. I've been so bad about this lately. I used to do it every first of the month. I am also finally vacuuming my mattress. My hubby came across the hall to give me a hand turning the mattress. I'm also cleaning my mattress today. All I'm using is baking soda, and then I just left the baking soda sit on the mattress for about an hour or so. I just let the baking soda sit, and then I just went back to cleaning. I got a little crazy with the baking soda, and some bounced off the mattress. I'm still seeing some on the floor now, but it was so much fun. Now I'm cleaning my side of the bed. This is my bookshelf. Look how much dust this got. I got this tray, I can't remember where or when, but it's a small mirror tray, and then the candle holders, 3 of them say, laugh, pray, love. I just love it, but I brought them to our room because I don't want my little one playing with them. That little white thing is a diffuser, my first ever. My sister-in-law got that for me. I personally love melting candles better though, because my nose is so bad with smelling things. So I'll put so much, and my husband can smell it right away, and his nose will almost start bleeding or something. So with candles, I just put the sample candle on a glass and then on the burner. I can't add anymore or mess it up, so I like it that way. Is anyone else this way? This bookshelf got so bad, I store/throw everything in this bookshelf. I was an exclusive pumper while breastfeeding my baby, so this is where I sat all hooked up. So tons of my pumping essentials I store in this bookshelf. I also have all the books that I have already read in this bookshelf because my larger bookshelf in my hubby's office are so packed full. I had to buy another bookshelf. Thank goodness now I have a library card that I can download on my Nook and then give the book back when I'm all done because I'm running out of room. I was also going to put all my books, well except for the ones I really love and might want to read again, in a box and take them to a half-price bookstore. I think that's what the bookstore is called, so I can sell them and then buy more books at that store. But then the COVID hit and everything closed. If you love books, I highly recommend looking for this bookstore near you. I got some popular series there. Like the Hunger Games, I got the whole series there for about $20, all hardcover. I looked up on Barnes & Noble, the hardcovers for a whole series is $54, and only one Hunger Game book is going for $22 right now. I am putting all my pumping accessories into a plastic bag. So here's my other small bookshelf in our room. These are the books I haven't read yet, and also some of my hubby series that he hasn't read yet either. From the covers of the books, if you can see them, let me know which ones have you read, or what is your favorite books. I could just talk about books all day, which is my favorite subject, which is weird because I absolutely hated reading growing up. Then one day I was watching Dr. Phil, and he was talking about this book on his show called Phone Calls from Heaven by Mitch Albom. I think I said that right. Has anyone ever did that in English class growing up? where you read one page and then you skip 2 pages, read the next, skip it, and then so on. And then I read another book by that author called The Timekeeper, and then that snowballed into a different book in genre. So then I found Goodreads, highly recommend, and now I have so much fun reading. My favorite genres are romance books, thrillers, I just got into those, and teen romance, so Twilight, The Selection, etc. Let me know down in the comments down below what your favorite genres are or your highly recommend books. And then I will try to find them on my library, and if I like them, you might get a shout out on Instagram. I had some laundry just sitting at my little one's crib. We haven't put it away yet, so now we use it to charge our phones in. So that board you see in the background with all the yellow highlights are actually almost all your nice comments on my videos. I like to save them so it motivates me to keep going. So thank you for leaving me comments. I love reading and talking to all of you. I love vacuuming after a long day of cleaning. Just so satisfying seeing everything sucked up and thrown away. Also, you can see all the baking soda. I completely forgot that we have that blue jumper under that sleeper, and my little one has been jumping in her crib because she's so hyper that I'm glad I found it again to wear her out. Wow, look at everything my vacuum picked up, including the baking soda. Thank you so much for always returning and supporting my channel each week. If you had told me a year ago that about 200 people on the internet watched my videos each week, I would not believe you. It just blows my mind, so thank you so much. I really appreciate each and every one of you. Without you, I wouldn't be this far. See you next Monday at 10 a.m. Don't forget to subscribe if you are new, leave me a comment, and give this video a thumbs up.